Some mobile banks feel limiting because they cap transfers, spending, or cash access, especially when your account starts handling larger paychecks or multiple income streams. By the end of this, you'll know 5 Varo alternatives people switch to when they want higher limits and more flexible banking features without losing the mobile app experience. First is Ally Bank. Ally Bank offers a full online banking system with higher flexibility than most mobile-first accounts. It works well if you want a more traditional banking structure with stronger long-term account options and fewer restrictions on how you move money. Second is Sophie. Sophie combines banking with investing, lending, and credit tools inside one app. It's useful if you want your banking account to scale with you as your income grows instead of hitting strict mobile banking limits. Third is Axos Bank. Axos Bank is built around online checking accounts with more flexible account types and fewer of the restrictions you typically see in app-only banking platforms. It's a strong option if you want digital banking but still want room to expand your financial activity. Fourth is Capital One 360. Capital One 360 gives you a hybrid experience with online banking, plus access to physical locations in some areas. That matters if you want higher flexibility and the option to talk to someone in person when managing larger balances or transfers. Fifth is Discover Bank. Discover Bank offers simple checking and savings accounts backed by a more traditional banking infrastructure. It's a good fit if you want fewer app-style restrictions and more standard banking behavior for deposits and withdrawals. To put this together, Varo is designed for simple mobile banking, but that simplicity comes with limits on how far it can scale. These alternatives focus on giving you more room to move money, hold larger balances, and access broader financial tools. The key difference isn't just features, it's flexibility. Mobile-first apps like Varo prioritize ease of use, while these banks prioritize long-term account growth and fewer restrictions as your financial needs expand. If you're switching, think about what you're running into right now. If it's transfer limits or account restrictions, you'll likely benefit from a more full-service online bank. If it's just simplicity you want, Varo still fits. Pick based on whether you want convenience or long-term flexibility. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of banking apps without the confusion.